Welcome to our quick guide for pCon.planner 8.15. We'll show you how to activate the AI rendering feature in just a few simple steps. Click Presentation tab and AI Image. If you don't have an API key yet, click here to register with OpenRouter and create it yourself. Once you have completed registration, click Workspaces and the Credits tab to add a payment method and the minimum starting balance of $5 to your account first. Click the API Key tab and New Key. Enter a name for the key, such as pCon.planner. You can also configure additional key settings here. Important, copy or write down the key directly in this window, since you will only see it here once. Now return to pCon.planner and enter your new API key in the appropriate field. Click Start. You can now use the new feature. Congratulations! You can now transform your pCon.planner projects into stunning atmospheric visualizations in seconds. With AI image rendering, you can create compelling images from your designs with a single click. No complex settings, no lengthy fine-tuning. Focus on what matters most, developing great concepts, refining your designs, and presenting your ideas with maximum impact. Thank you for watching, your pCon team.